Wait a minute. Where are you going?
I'm going to the auto store to get my windshield wiper changed.
No, you don't have to go to a dealership or auto shops to get your windshield wipers changed. I saw a girl online, she was teaching how to change it by yourself, and you can save half of the cost. Come on, let me show you her video.
Ah, really? Let me see.
Let's go. Alright guys, I'm ready to show you how do you change the windshield wipers front and the back. This one is the one that I mentioned is from Timo. Comes with the 24 and 18, one for the driver side, the other one for the passenger side. But they don't have the one that I wanted for my rear window windshield wiper. So I ordered this one separately and from Amazon. And this is a 14-inch, so I got them both. This is a 24-inch, it's a longer one. Easy, so you just pop this part, you press it and pull the old one out, and just kind of push this in for the new one. This one is the shorter one, which is an 18-inch, kind of like that. I can see it has the same thing, the little thing you can pop in and out. Here you go. This is how it's look like for the rear window, and this one is a little bit different. So basically, you can when you change it, you just pull this part out to pop the old one out, and then switch to this one. A little hook to this part. Let's go. All right, let's get started. God, it's so windy. So the short side is gonna be on this side. Take this baby out. Ooh. It's pretty windy. I can't believe they'll actually the wind blow away my towels. Protect your window. And so I'm gonna take this part out. It's two. So the shorter one for this side and the longer one for that side. I should have brought my stool because it's a little too short. And so you can see that's pretty easy. Gonna take this part out, leave it as it is, and this would be like that. And take this part out. Let's see, slide it back in. Ooh, successful. Let me see. It's exactly the same size. Let's get to the other side. I'm gonna bring my towel to the other side. Okay, windy and the glare. I should have brought my stool. All right, let's switch to the driver's side. The driver's side, the windshield wiper is a little bit longer, which is 24 inches. It comes with a package. It's pretty straightforward. We just press a button and remove the old one, replace with a new one. Once you slide the new one in, you will hear the click sound. That means you change it successfully. I'm glad I didn't have artificial nails. Made this a little bit easier. Women's problem. Voila, we're done the front. Okay, let's start to change the back. So we're gonna take this part out. Oh, thank God it's not that windy. It was hard to film. Gonna take this part out. Actually, we can lift it up. Again, you have to put the towel to kind of protect your screen. Oops. Just pull this out. Ah, it's a little. I'm gonna pull this out. There we go. Oh, one. So make sure it's the right direction. I'm gonna clip it on. Little thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. So right here, the clip really close. Make sure. Oh, clipped in. We'll make sure that's working. I'll put it down and listen in the car. Okay guys, I'm done with changing my windshield wiper. I'm so excited. I did it all by myself. I did two on the front and one on the back, and it was very successful. It's the total cost from Amazon and Temu that I bought it. It's around like $22, and it's all done by myself within 10 minutes. I think it's less than 5 minutes because it was filming and it takes a little bit longer. And all I want to say is you can do it yourself, and it's not that hard. Especially I have the Mazda CX-5 2019, and the front windshield wipers are very easy to change. You just press on the little button and just pull it out and slide back in. You will hear the click sound. That means that you're changing it successfully. And on the back, the rear window windshield wiper. Oh, mouthful of words. It was a little bit difficult. It's kind of like also with the angle to twist it in and where I showed you. So it's not that hard, and you don't have any help around you. This is what you can do. It's very simple, and I hope you can do it by yourself. Just think about it. You going to the dealership or going to any auto repair shop, they're gonna charge. I remember years ago I had a change. They charged me I think it was $49, just the front. So think about the cost. It's only $22, and I did it all by myself within 10 minutes. It's very successful. I'm very happy to show you the way that I can save money. You can do it too. Voila! Congratulations! You just learned how to change windshield wipers by yourself. Would you do it yourself? Let me know in the comment below. And I hope this video is really useful to help you save money if you're on a budget. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. Hey, you're back. Now you know how to change windshield wipers by yourself, and save you half of the cost. Good job. Wow, that is pretty cool. I learned how to change windshield wipers right now. Well, not on the windy days. Ah! This is crazy. I'm trying to film the way that I'm changing my windshield wiper. It got so windy. Look at the tripod I had.